Hi, in this lesson, we will see about an overview of Google Ads Editor. Okay, so I am opening Google Ads Editor now. So, yeah, so when you open Google Ads Editor, this is how it looks like. So, first thing it will go to, so it will land to the overview page, okay, where we can see the metrics, performance of the account. So, and here in the above region, you see this is the toolbar. So, where you can see accounts, edit, tools, right, data, help. This is the toolbar, okay. And this area, you see this one, this area here, you can see the accounts, campaigns present in our account and ad groups. Okay, so let's go for it. These are the campaigns. So this is a so campaigns. Okay, this part is the campaigns part, campaigns. And if you see here, you see the drop downs here. So when you click on this drop down, you can see the ad groups present in this respective um, campaigns. Okay, here, and if you see here in the three dots here, you can uh, filter based on the campaign type. See here, search campaigns, PMAX, display, shopping, video, app, and demand gen. And you can also filter according to the enabled and paused campaigns. And if you want to filter further, you can also filter through ad groups as well. Okay, so this is where the campaigns and ad groups present. And here below, you see this is the place where different sections of the campaigns and ad groups present. Okay, so if you want to navigate between a particular ad of a campaign, let's say you want to see ad present in this Google Ads ad group, how will you do it? So simply you go to here ad section. Okay, click on the responsive search ads. Okay, so again in the in the ads we have different ad types right here. So based on the campaign type, the ad names will change. So for search, it is responsive search ads. Okay, and for other campaign types, it is other campaign name in ad names. Okay, so if you want to navigate for this particular ad present in this ad group, so go to the ad section and click on the respective ad type. So here it is responsive search ad, and here click on the ad group. So go to the campaign and click on the ad group, you will see this ad. So this is the place where you can view all the data present in the campaigns. So this area, you can call them as data area. So if you want, you can also see the ad groups here, you see. So what are the ad groups present in this particular campaign? See, these are the ad groups present in this particular campaign. Okay, so based on your convenience, you can navigate in between these two sections. Okay, and if you want to view the keywords present in this particular ad group, okay, how will you do it? So simple, either you can keep this here I am selecting this entire campaign. If I select this entire campaign, okay, so I can view all the keywords present in it. So go to keywords and targeting, keywords, and you see here I can see the keywords present in this campaign. So if I want to see only keywords present in this ad group, simply click on this. Okay, so this is how you can navigate in between. So why there is ad group campaign here? Because so when you click here in the ad group section, on the right side you see this area. This is the place where you can change the settings of the campaign and ad group. Okay, if you want to suppose for this particular ad group, for this in this campaign, so here I have selected the campaign, and for this particular ad group, okay, so how I will do it? So I will click on the campaign here, and in the ad groups I will simply click on here in the data region, I will click on the Google Ads ad group. Okay, in this ad group here I wanted to change the bid of the ad group. How will I do it? So simple, you simply come here and change it to the requirement as per your requirement. So this is how you can navigate between this all the sections. So I hope you are getting my point, right? And this is the area where we can give filters, right? And so whenever you first open the account, first thing you have to do is first download all the data from the engine. So many people will work on Google Ads, right? So some people might do changes. So you don't know, right, what has happened in the engine. So in order to download all those changes into this Google Ads, in this here, into this Google Ads editor, first, whenever you open the Google Ads editor, first thing you have to do is you need to download all the changes that has made in the engine into the editor. So how will you do it? So first thing is get recent changes. You see here, get recent changes. Click on it, and here we have two different options. One is the basic data and one is the more data. So when you click on the basic data, so main sections will be downloaded. Okay, like campaign settings, ad group settings, all those changes will be downloaded. And when you click on the more data, all the data will be downloaded. Okay, so always prefer more data. So first thing you have to do is click on more data, right, and go for all campaigns. So wait, okay, for if yours is a very large account, so it will almost it sometimes it takes around half an hour of time. Okay, so don't worry about the time. Okay, so it depends on how big your account is. So as this is a small account, it is simply downloaded very easily. And after I make here, I have made the changes right here. Earlier it was 60 and now it was 50. So I have made a changes. You can identify, you see this edit symbol. This is how you can identify the whether the campaign is edited or not. So I will in the coming classes you will come to know. So there are other symbols as well. If there is a remove symbol, suppose, okay, and if there is any new campaign added or any new keyword, any new ad group added, you will come to know. Okay, there are symbols. We will see one by one. So first thing you have to do is the get recent changes, right? And after you make changes, after you review your changes, you need to post those changes, right? You need to take those changes to the engine. How will you do it? You need to push these changes to the engine, then only they will go live through the engine, right? So in order to do it, the last thing is, after making all the reviews, after making all the changes, okay, and you after you are confident about your changes, okay, just go here and click on post. Okay, click on post and select all campaigns. Here we are editing one ad group bit, right? So here it is showing as updated. Just click on post. That's it. Your changes will be posted. So here it was 50, right? Let's see whether it has changed or not. So that is the, what is it? So it is uh, paid media varsity bid. Okay, paid media varsity bid. Go to paid media varsity, this one, and here it is. Just refresh. Okay, just refresh, and you see PDM every 2 bits 50-50 now. So I hope you are getting my point, right? So first thing, whenever you open the editor is, you have to do get recent changes. After you make the changes, after you make the edits, and you should definitely post your changes. Without posting, all those changes will not go live. Okay, don't forget about these two things, right? So I hope you have understood this overview of the editor. So this is with all these sections, with these two sections you can play around the navigation, okay, where you have to land, and here you can select which level you want, what you want, or what row you want. So suppose here I have selected this campaign, and here you can select which ad group you want. Okay, suppose here I am selecting this campaign and going to the keywords, you can select which keyword you want, right? And after you selecting the respective ad group or respective keyword, you can make those changes here. This is the edit panel. Here you can make the edits. Okay, so we will see some more advanced settings and advanced options in the next further coming classes, but for now just understand the navigation. So I suggest you to go through all these navigations options, all those settings. So we will meet in the next one.